At Great Canadian Oil Change, we provide much more than just an oil change. That's where the great comes from. Today's vehicles are complex machines that require routine maintenance in several areas to avoid costly breakdowns. Our skilled technicians can pinpoint issues in your vehicle and then follow up with a quick, efficient fix. When you visit us, you can expect the following: a stay-in-your-car oil change in about 15 minutes, fast and friendly service that is warranty approved, and a multi-point inspection. Great Canadian Oil Change will get you ready for the road in no time, and remember, maintenance is cheaper than repairs.